Hello everyone. Today start a new topic is a nutrient cycle in C. In unit third point is a 3.4 nutrient cycle in a C. So what is a nutrient cycle? Nutrient cycle is a repeated pathway of a particular nutrient or element from the environment through one or more organism and back to the environment. So nutrient cycle means it is a repeated pathway of particular elements. It is a repeated pathway particular elements from the environment. Through one or more organism or back to the environment. So, nutrients are more important for the growth, reproduction, development, and regulation of a regular activities of a living organism. So, nutrients are more important for the growth, reproductions, development, and regular activities of a living organism. At a particular time, the amount of nutrient are taking place in that a localized area. So, से न्यूट्रिएंट असतात एक सर्टन एरियामध्ये सर्टन लोकलाइज एरियामध्ये राहतात त्याला म्हणतात स्टँडिंग स्टेट. So nutria are living in a standing state. The nutrients are transferred from one and another place through only the rainy season. Nutrients are present in the standing state, so nutrients are not transferred from one place to another place, but nutrients only transferred through the rainy seasons, through the water. Nutrients are present in a earth crust or atmosphere, so that the nutrients are absorption in plant. So nutrient cycle are present on the earth crust. So so nutrients are present in the earth crust. Then this nutrient earth crust are present in a plant, and this plant are absorbed in a nutrients. Then this plant are intaken by a god or bulls. So these god bulls are eaten by human beings. Then these humans or plants are decomposed, and this decomposition are taking place on only soil and also formation of a nutrient. So these are the repeated pathway. So first is nutrient are present in the earth crust. Then this nutrient are absorbed in a plant, and this plant are eaten by a herbivorous plant, and this herbivorous plant are some is got, and then got is eaten by a human being, and then plant and animals are decomposed in a soil, and then also formation of a nutrient. So these are the nutrient cycle. This is a repeated pathway of elements in the environment. So these are the nutrient cycle. So there are two type of nutrients. So first is a gaseous nutrient and second is a sedimentary nutrients. So there is a two type of nutrients. First is a gaseous nutrient and second is a sedimentary nutrients. So gaseous nutrients means, so nutrients are present in a atmosphere, in airs. This is a gaseous form. Nutrients are present in a gaseous form, and sedimentary nutrients means nutrients are present in a solid form. So gaseous nutrients is a carbon and nitrogen, and sedimentary nutrients is a sulfur and phosphorus. So gaseous nutrients in the form of gases and sedimentary nutrients in the form of solids. So in your syllabus, the gaseous nutrients are only nitrogen and sedimentary nutrients are sulfur and phosphorus are given. So first cycle is the nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen is a chemical element and the atomic number of a nitrogen is a 7. So atomic number of a nitrogen is a 7. So nitrogen is a first discovered and isolated by a Scottish physician is Daniel Rutherford in 1772. So nitrogen is the first discovered and isolated by the Daniel Rutherford in 1772. Nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical cycle. In which nitrogen is converted in a multiple chemical form. In nitrogen cycle, the nitrogen is converted into many multiple chemical form. So important process of a nitrogen cycle. So 5 important process in a nitrogen chemical cycle is the first is the nitrogen fixation. Then second is a nitrification. Third is a assimilation. Fourth is a ammonifications. And sixth is a fifth is a denitrification. So they are the 5 processes of a nitrogen cycle. So start the first process of a nitrogen cycle is a nitrogen fixation. So what is mean by nitrogen fixation? So nitrogen is converted into ammonia, or ammonia is also called as nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen is converted into ammonia or ammonium ions. Ammonia or ammonium ions. In the presence of ribosome bacteria. So, nitrogen is converted into ammonia or ammonium ions. Ammonia ammonia ions in the presence of ribosome bacteria, and these ribosome bacteria are present in the root of a noodles of a leguminous plants. So these ribosome noodles are present in a leguminous plant. ज्या झाडाला शेंगा लागतात त्याला म्हणतात लेगुमिनस प्लांट्स. सो दिस रायबोझियम bacteria is present in a root of a noodles of a leguminous plant. So these are the nitrogen fixation. Then second is a process is a nitrification. So what is mean by nitrifications? So nitrification is this compound, that means ammonia or ammonium ions, is converted into nitrate or nitrate. So in the process of nitrification is a ammonia or ammonium ions are converted into nitrite or nitrate. So nitrification is a ammonia or ammonium ions are converted into nitrate or nitrate in the presence of nitrosomus nitrobacteria. In the presence of nitrosomus nitrobacteria. Some nitrifying bacteria are converted. So this ammonia or ammonium ions are converted into some nitrifying bacteria, that means cytosomus nitrobacteria are converted into nitrate or nitrate because the ammonia is a highly toxic. Because ammonia is a highly toxic element, and this reason is converted into nitrite or nitrate. Then third process of a nitrogen cycle is assimilation. Assimilation means the nitrogen in a various form, that is a ammonia, ammonium, nitrite, nitrate are also form of various form of a nitrogen, and this various form of nitrogen are present in a soil, and these soils are present in a plant. So plants are absorbed in this compound, and these plants are eaten by a herbivorous plant and animals. So assimilation means the nitrogen are formation in a various compound, that is a ammonia, ammonium, nitrites or nitrates. So these are various form of compound are present in a soil, and plants are also present in a soil. So this plant are absorbed in any compound, that is ammonia, ammonium nitrates or nitrates. And these plants are eaten by herbivorous animals. So these plants and animals are formation of a protein is also called as assimilation. So formation protein is also known as assimilation. Then fourth process is a ammonifications. In the process of ammonifications, dead plants and animals. Ammonification means amines group are converted into ammonia. Are ammonium ions. So, in this process, when the organism are excrete or rest or dies, and the nitrogen of a tissue in the form of organic nitrogen, that is amino acid and DNA. So these plants and animals they decompose राहतात. ते डिकम्पोजर फॉर्म होतात इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अमायनो ॲसिड और DNA मीन्स ऑर्गेनिक नायट्रोजनमध्ये. सो व्हेरियस फंजाय देन डिकम्पोजर ऑफ ए देन जे डिकम्पोजर मटेरियल असतात त्याला फंजाय काय करतात, ब्रेकडाऊन करतात. आणि ब्रेकडाऊन केल्यानंतर त्याला अमोनियम फॉर्ममध्ये करतात आणि देन मग काय करतात, नायट्रोजन बॉन्डला रिलीज करतात. ठीक आहे. सो अमोनिफिकेशन मोस्ट ऑफ द मीन्स अमाइन्स ग्रुप आर कन्वर्टेड इंटू अमोनिया अँड अमोनियम आयन्स. Then last process is a denitrifications. डिनायट्रिफिकेशन म्हणजे नेमकं काय होतं, जे डिकम्पोजर मटेरियल वगैरे असतात ते काय करतात, पुन्हा सॉइलसोबत मिक्सअप होतात. सॉइलसोबत मिक्सअप झाल्यानंतर काय करतात, जे प्लांट्स अंडर वॉटर असतात त्यांना काय करतात, ऑक्सिजन जे प्रमाणात पाहिजे त्या पुरेशा प्रमाणात मिळत नसल्यामुळे ते काय होतं की ते जे डीप वॉटरमध्ये जे प्लांट असतात ते काय करतात, नायट्राईटला ब्रेकडाऊन करतात. ठीक आहे. सो नायट्राईटला ब्रेकडाऊन करतात. नायट्राईटला ब्रेकडाऊन केल्यानंतर काय होतात, ऑक्सिजन रेस्पिरेशनसाठी यूज करतात आणि जो नायट्रोजन बॉन्ड आहे त्याला काय करतात, रिलीज करतात इन द ॲटमॉस्फिअर. सो डिनायट्रिफिकेशन मीन्स नायट्रेट are converted into atmospheric nitrogen is also called as denitrification. So आपण नायट्रोजन सायकल बघूया. So first start, nitrogen are present in a atmosphere. Then this nitrogen are converted into ammonia or ammonium ions. In the process of nitrogen fixation. And this nitrogen fixation in the process occur in the presence of ribosome bacteria. And these ribosome bacteria are present in the plant of Leguminaceae family. then the ammonia or ammonium ions are converted into nitrates or nitrate. Ammonia or ammonium ion are converted into nitrate in the process of nitrifications. and this nitrification occur in the process in the presence of nitrifying bacteria. This nitrate are converted into proteins. सो प्रोटीन फॉर्मेशन कसं झालं असतं, जे हर्बिवरस प्लांट आहे ते इटन करतात प्लांट्सला, अँड ते प्लांट आणि दिस प्लांट्स अँड ॲनिमल फॉर्मेशन करतात प्रोटीनचा, अँड दिस प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज असॅम्बलेशन. And these proteins then plants and animal are decomposer होतात किंवा वेस्ट मटेरियल प्रोड्यूस करतात. ठीक आहे, हे प्रोटीन्स फॉर्मेशन झाल्यानंतर जे प्लांट डेड होतात. ठीक आहे, वेस्ट और डेड्स और डिकम्पोजर ते काय करतात, अमोनिफिकेशन करतात. मीन्स जे डेड प्लांट्सचं फॉर्मेशन होतं अमोनिया और अमोनियम आयन्स. इन दिस प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज अमोनिफिकेशन्स. म्हणजे अमाइन्स ग्रुप फॉर्मेशन झालं असतो जेव्हा ते रेड होतात. ठीक आहे, मग ते रेड झाल्यानंतर फॉर्मेशन कसं होतं, अमोनिया अँड अमोनियम आयन्स. सो अमाइन्स ग्रुप are converted into ammonia or ammonium ions is also known as ammonification. ठीक आहे, पुन्हा रिवर्स होता. ठीक आहे, से पुन्हा अमोनिफिकेशन झाल्यानंतर पुन्हा त्याचं नायट्रिफिकेशन होतं. मग पुन्हा काय होतं, मग त्या नायट्रिफिकेशन झाल्यानंतर याचं नायट्रेट्स डिनायट्रिफिकेशन होतं. ठीक आहे, सो याचं काय होतं मग डिनायट्रिफिकेशन. म्हणजे पुन्हा जे नायट्रेटचं फॉर्म होतं ते काय करतात, ते प्लॅन्ट्स असतात ते ब्रेकडाऊन करतात, आणि मग ते नायट्रेटचं ब्रेकडाऊन झाल्यानंतर नायट्रेट रिलीज करतात ॲटमॉस्फिअरमध्ये आणि ऑक्सिजन टेकअप करतात. ठीक आहे, सो अँड देन पुन्हा ती रिव्हर्स प्रोसेस होते. ठीक आहे, मग ते पुन्हा अशी सायकल चालते. मग अमोनिया, मग नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, मग नायट्रिफिकेशन, नायट्रेट, मग असॅम्बलेशन, अँड देन अमोनिफिकेशन, अँड ऑल्सो conversion into nitrification, then also process of denitrification. They are repeated pathway. ठीक है, so these are the nitrogen cycle.